कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी, करमूले सरस्वती, करमध्ये तु गोविन्दः, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. On the tip of the fingers resides Goddess Lakshmi. On the wrist resides Goddess Saraswati. In the center of the palm resides Lord Govinda himself. Every morning one should look at the palm of the reverence. समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वत स्तनमंडले, विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शम क्षमस्व मे. सवेरे उठकर जमीन को पांव लगाना चाहिए. ओ गॉडेस अर्थ, आई बो टू दी, who is clothed by all the oceans and whose area of breasts are the mountains, who is the consort of Lord Vishnu. Please pardon me for touching you with my feet. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी, विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. कोई भी शिक्षा ग्रहण करने से पहले सरस्वती को याद करना जरूरी होता है. ओ गॉडेस सरस्वती, माई हम्बल प्रोस्ट्रेशन अनटू दी, who are the fulfillers of all the wishes. I start my studies with the request that thou will always bestow thy blessings on me. ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महवि, ब्रह्माग्नो ब्रह्मणाहुतं, ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्म कर्म समाधिनाम्. Brahm itself is the oblation, offering, pious donation. Brahm itself is the clarified butter, etc. Constituting the offerings by Brahma himself is the oblation poured into the fire of Brahma. Brahma verily shall be reached by him on who always sees Brahma in all actions. शुभम करोति कल्याणम, आरोग्यम धन संपदा, शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. दीप प्रज्वलित करने से पहले इस मंत्र का उच्चारण किया जाता है. कर आई prostrate to the lamp which brings the brilliance, the auspiciousness, the health, the wealth and possessions, for the destruction of my enemy in the form of ignorance, bad intellect, which is the enemy of good. करचरणं कृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा, श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा पराधं, विहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व. जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. शिव जी के लिए. ओ लॉर्ड्स, who is ocean of mercy and is always ready to bestow his blessing in spite of my weakness, please forgive me for any action done by me with my hands or feet or speech or hearing or seeing or through body and mind. I also ask for forgiveness for doing the ordained deed incorrectly or not doing what was necessary. Glory be to you. प्रातः स्मरामि हृदय संस्फुरदात्मतत्त्वं, सच्चित् सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयं. यत्स्वप्नजागर सुषुप्तिमवेति नित्यं, तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्गः. तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्गः. At every dawn I remember in my throbbing heart and living with consciousness that I am that reality which is the embodiment of truth, consciousness and happiness, and which is the ultimate goal of the great ascetics who are on the Paramahansa path, who is beyond the first three stages of waking, dreaming, and deep sleep, and after acquiring correct knowledge, has realized that I am that constant Brahma which is eternally steady, pure, unpolluted, and transcendent, and not an assemblage combination of the gross primary elements. Paramhans is an ascetic of the highest order, one who has controlled and subdued all his senses by abstract on the fundamental points meditation.